Joints are giving you trouble, you don't have to sit there and suffer. Dr. William Simkowski is here to talk about Utah stem cells joint treatment. It's part of our sponsored segment. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Let's talk about this. This is such a great method and relief for folks who are really suffering.
That's right. There's so many people that have joint pain, and we're talking about knees, shoulders, low back and neck, and people have always been looking for a way of healing themselves without having to have surgeries or prolonged downtimes. A lot of particular joint pains, like the neck or back, for example, they're fraught with poor results and a lot of post-surgical complications. But now with the use of stem cells, we can do procedures on virtually any joint in the body that's hurting you with no downtime, very little risk involved, and the effects and the results are even better than with just about any other types of medical treatments or surgeries.
Where do these stem cells come from?
So stem cells, interestingly enough, there's different sources of stem cells. We can take them directly from the patient, and we call those adult stem cells, but the best type of stem cells are embryonic stem cells. And a lot of people have heard about stem cell research and embryonic stem cells. Those, unfortunately, are coming from aborted fetuses, and there's a lot of ethical concerns with how they're derived. But now we can use both amniotic membrane or amniotic stem cells and umbilical cord stem cells. And these stem cells are coming from a live, healthy birth. And so we get a lot of the same properties and characteristics of the embryonic stem cells, but with none of the ethical concerns.
Because, true, the umbilical cord, unless you save it and you make plans to harvest, that gets thrown away.
That's correct. And now there's a lot of, we can get donor mothers to donate their placentas and their umbilical cords, so we can extract out the best quality stem cells. And what stem cells are and what they have the ability to do is turn into any tissue that the body has that's not healthy. So if you're suffering from knee pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, you name it, a lot of the problems, the pain is coming from arthritis, which is a wearing and tearing down of the cartilage, or from tendons or ligament problems, tendinitis or tears. And the stem cells actually turn into the new tissue or turn into new tissue. They have the propensity and the ability to turn into any type of damaged tissue in the body. So now we can finally regrow cartilage. And we don't have to have knee replacements. I get so many patients that come to me that were told they need to have a knee replacement or a hip replacement. And now we can significantly regrow cartilage, and you don't have to have that done.
And it's all natural. You're giving people hope where they feel this chronic pain. It can be very depressing for a lot of the patients that you see. You've got a promo going on.
That's right. So for any of your ABC viewers, all they have to do is mention that they saw me on ABC, and they'll be entitled to a free consultation. I can review your imaging if you've had that done, or we can get some. I can examine you, and you'll get a $300 gift card for yourself. And everybody knows some family member or someone else that's got joint pain, and you'll have another gift card for your family member or friend.
What's the reaction when you are helping someone with chronic pain?
It is so wonderful. I love taking away pain from people that are suffering from it needlessly. My biggest thrill, because I'm young, I say that with a relatively young, but I still enjoy skiing, playing tennis, basketball, a lot of fun sports. And I love giving everyone the ability to not give up their sports and continue to play. But even more importantly, those people who are not good surgical candidates, who are elderly, a lot of people just want to be free of pain so they can enjoy time with their grandkids or taking a walk in the park. And that's the most rewarding thing for me, is being able to help people with their joint pain.
Thank you so much. You are in Salt Lake City, and we just put up that information of who to call, and make sure you mention ABC4.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.